Hey, Brandon from Davidson Audio. Today, we're going to give you a little shop tour because I completely forgot that we showed you the building process of this. We never showed you it done. So as of right now, we're done with construction. So let's take y'all inside. All right, so let's go on inside and give you this nice little grand tour. All right, so in here, I don't know if you can really tell, but obviously we have a shorter ceiling here. This is something we were talking about from the get-go about building a mezzanine, and we went ahead and did one, which is why this video took so long, because we wanted to get that done, organize everything before bringing you all in here. So kind of what we did is underneath the mezzanine, we have two different workstations, as you'll see when we go around this area, because a lot of the times Bill will be doing an install, I'll be doing an install, or we'll have one install and we'll have a shop bike build, which as you can see here, we have our Chieftain all torn apart right now, which we'll give you a little sneak peek teaser of this one. I've mentioned it before, but obviously we have the OEM tour pack, and then we've got our 8-inch Dirty Bird lowers and the 5 1/4 in the fairing. So this is gonna be a nice fun build. We have a long way to go. And if you saw in one of our previous videos, we did the Nagy's 10-inch rings, which were for these bags. So and stay tuned to that one. But like I said, we got a work center over here. We have a nice little workbench, some pegboard back here, so that way I can have an area to work, or if Jamie's back here, she can be back here. Bill's work center's over there, which we'll get to. And then we got our wire rack. We're a little low on wire right now, but this is where we make all of our custom harnesses. We make them right here between the three of us. We get the harnesses done. So they're all made here. We don't ship them out anywhere. And obviously this is Bill's work area. Got a nice little area for him. And again, our other shop bike, here's our Challenger. In here because we're testing out some different speakers, which is why we have our 8-inch lids in there and no speakers. So we're always trying to test new speakers. We're trying to get new audio packages for you all. And we've got some requests. People asked today, hey, what about these speakers in the lids? And we try to make time to make that happen with different tunes. So on this back wall, we got two of our toolboxes, which also double up as workbenches. And then we got our drill press in the middle with, if you've seen our lid promo video, our little jig for our lids to make sure that the lock solenoid hole for the seal is nice and perfect. We did a nice countersink, boom, boom. And then as we continue walking around, another bench. And this is something that we've been consistently working on and evolving, because being in such, it's not even a small place. It is, we have a lot of room here. It's 24 by 24 plus the mezzanine. So I mean, it's essentially like a 24 by 36 area, and we've got it slap packed full of stuff. So like, these are all of our harnesses, all of our brackets. We've got all of them. We've been working extremely hard to make sure that we keep inventory in stock for the website, for other shops that order products from us. So we're constantly not only evolving the products that we have, but we're constantly working at keeping our inventory numbers up, which we've been doing a really good job since having Jamie and Bill here along with myself. So the three of us have been working super long hours to make sure y'all have what you need. And then from here, we've got stuff for customer bikes that come in to tear down, or as you can tell, our shop bikes being all torn down, and shipping stuff, orders and whatnot. But what I really want to show you is the mezzanine up top. So I'm going to scoot my way up there, and then we'll have Bill come up there and we'll go ahead and get this. So now we're up top of the mezzanine. As you can see, even on the side, we got about 6 foot clearance, and then towards the middle, we're close to 8. We just wanted to make sure that we had adequate room downstairs where we're spending most of our time. This was just an overflow area for product inventory and a lot of other stuff like that. So over here is where we keep all of our OEM body parts. So like, we've got the Harley tour pack, we've got one of our Indian tour packs, we got a shell of one, we've got multiple Indian saddlebags, we have lids. On this one, we got our Chieftain fender there, which that's a later video on why we have the Chieftain fender up here, but there's still one on the Chieftain. On this shelf, we keep all of our Davidson Audio 8-inch lids and Davidson Audio Slimline tour packs, which we have not done a video on yet, but These are ours. We have a couple available. They're on the website. And I mean, from there, it's just really a lot of everyday use stuff, from like shrink tube, the loom, the fuse holders, the brackets, tape, all this miscellaneous stuff that goes into running a business that I just want to show you all, because I think a lot of people think that when it comes to business, it doesn't take much to do it, but when you're trying to fulfill orders, when you're trying to serve, like we are the indie motorcycle community, there's a lot behind the scenes that goes into it. Like these shelves right here are just full of parts that we use. Like here's the 8-inch Nagy rings. We try to buy these in a good amount so y'all have them. And this side, like I was touching on briefly, I mean, we've got these 2 shelves dedicated to the Nagy ring products. We've got OEM speaker enclosures for the Pursuits. Like I said, it's just, we try to get as much stuff on hand to make sure when y'all need something, whether it's an audio package or other parts, that we have it for you all. So that's kind of what's on here. We've got our shop builds right here, car wash stuff and whatnot, some other stuff that we're testing. But what's cool is over here, obviously, there's a bunch of random building material. We fabricate a lot of our own brackets, in-house builds, we use different materials. So this is everything from birch, plywood, acrylic, ABS, blown PVC, whole bunch of stuff, a bunch of shipping blankets. But what I want to touch on too is, this is how we make our harnesses. Like all of our preamp harnesses, they're made right here. We use nothing but high quality grade automotive wire for this. We have a nice wire cutting machine to make sure all of our harnesses are accurate, everything's stripped, pre-done for you. So when you get your harness, we're making sure that the wire is done correctly. We got good quality stuff. We're crimping them correctly and doing them all by hand to make sure that we don't have any bad harnesses, which I will say, we're all human, errors do happen, but we take every step we can to make sure our products work for you all. So like I said, that's a quick walk around of our shop. Nothing fancy, nothing super long on this video. Some of y'all might not even like this video. I just like to be as transparent as I can as a business owner to show you all a little bit behind the scenes so y'all understand how much we have going on here, what we have, and kind of what we're doing. So with that, this video is a wrap. Again, I'm Brandon with Davidson Audio, located here in Panama City, Florida. So if you're in need of getting your Harley or your Indian motorcycle audio done, come on down here and see us. We'd love to take care of you.